Wishtrip Game Wizard. Activate your game. Now that you have created your challenges, all that remains is to add a summary and activate your game. Add a picture and message that players will see when they finish the game. The best final messages keep the tone light and funny and encourage people to continue their experience in the attraction. Press Next to save. In the summary screen, move the slider to activate your game. Then press Save and Exit. You can also just save and exit and activate your game later. If you have a problem activating the game, go back and see if any of the required fields have yet to be completed. Remember, everything must be completed in all game languages before activating. You can easily see that a stage is incomplete if a red dot appears on the tab selector at the top of the screen. Once you save and exit, you will be able to choose whether to return to the Game Builder main page or re-enter the game you've been working on to make further edits. And that's it! You are ready to get started. Let the games begin.